What's up? What's up, guys? Mark here. It was a beautiful day today. It was 82 degrees. It got up to, and decided to get the Typhoon. Well, like I had the Typhoon Q500 4K out. This is the Typhoon H Pro here. Um, but the next one I'll be uploading is the 4K. But it did not like the Q500 did not like the wind at all today. It was gusting anywhere from 10 up to 22, 23 miles an hour. And I'm sure I was up around 300 feet or close to it. And I'm sure the higher I went up, uh, the higher the wind was too. But yeah, here I was testing some stuff out, trying to. This is the second time I've flown the Typhoon H. So I was trying to test some stuff out and this and that. I've got another video I'm gonna put up after this one. I was gonna put them in here together, but this is 5 minutes long or so, something like that. So I'm gonna let this one upload, and then I'll do the other one, and then I've got a couple of more, I think. But anyways, you can see there's the uh, Gorgas steam plant, as they call it, right there in the background with the steam coming off the towers. I wanted to get closer to it, but with the wind the way it was today, I was just too scared to, so I didn't do it. Maybe week or two, something like that. It's supposed to start raining tomorrow, spotty showers, and then rain all weekend, so uh, no more good weather for a while, but anyway, I'll let y'all finish watching this, and I've got a few more videos to upload today, and then I guess we'll check y'all after a while. Enjoy it. And like I said, on this one I was just testing some stuff, so um, yeah, just enjoy the pictures. It's a beautiful camera too. I love this camera on this Typhoon H. Talk to everybody later. See ya.